We can duct tape everything down, right? No. Oh, shit. I could do this.
Alright. Hi, we're TV Podcast, and we're jamming with Garageband Talkshow. This is my brother Steven. I'm Jules. Oh, my name.
It sounds called Droopy Booby. What you do, what you do.
Just in.
Nah, you know what? It's not a big deal. No one even gets this far on the show anyway.
Yeah, that's true.
Because it sucks.
That's screwed up.
Okay, so just throw me the damn harpoon, honky. Where did that song idea come from? And just how?
Well, that phrase is from a show called the Mighty Boosh. It's kind of like like you were like gagging. It's from a show. Yeah, it's like a foreign like
It's like
show
a British English comedy.
Yeah, and there was like a part where they were like.
They had to kill this creature and they had the harpoon, and one of them's blind, and he said, "Just throw me a damn harpoon, honky." But he's not even like a honky. He's just he's from. It was just funny.
We would say that to each other.
Yeah, we quote that show like ridiculously. It's like a really good show. I don't know if anyone's ever seen. They should watch that show with the Mighty Boosh.
The Mighty Boosh.
They sponsor us. No. But yeah, it's called that. That's another song where the song title really has nothing to do with the song.
Yeah, you just like that.
And just be like that.
But yeah,
It just be like, it's Scooby Dooby Doo be like that.
Here we go.
Yeah, so we showed up to the happiest place on earth, you know, the Graver Olives, and it's closed. We're gonna be taking a tour of the closed place that we're probably not supposed to be at. So I think we're trespassing, but that's okay. Let's all go trespass. That's the gift shop. It's where you buy gifts, like for your mom, like on her birthday, or on Mother's Day.
Can I ring that bell? Or like
Yeah, no, go ring it.
Okay.
Watch, it's really cool. You'll get shocked. Yeah, it'll happen later though.
I don't
It's okay.
know.
There's fire in there.
How did you guys come up with that name?
Why do we do that? Two Pepper Pals was it's a cartoon within a cartoon. Well, next to the Laboratory and Powerpuff Girls, they'd watch a cartoon on their television in their universe, and it was called TV Puppet Pals, and it was puppets. And I love cartoons, and I really like that concept, and I like the name. And
It's fun.
we call it TV Puppet Pals. It's fun and entertaining and exciting.
Pretty much.
So thank you for coming back on our show, because like last time you guys came, we lost all the audio for the interview because Tommy decided to plug the wrong cord in to the wrong hole, so we wound up having no audio.
This is
I
terrible.
don't know, but we're walking back to the house now.
This is terrible.
I think we're gonna make a quick stop Mr. Kim.
SpongeBob
I'm Mr. Kim.
sticker.
We're doing an interview right now with a band. He wanted me to tell you that.
Let's try. Let me talk about it. I'm a creature of habit, so I usually forget. I don't know, I should go out of soda. I'm trying to lay out the soda because
Gotta get the mango.
I gotta get the mango. I don't know what she means by that comment, but. That'd be awesome. I mean, I'd like to, I guess. Well, I'm being realistic. I feel this question's expecting like a silly answer. But,
We're definitely judging you based on your
yeah, I buy a lifetime supply of Arizona's. I tried it the first time and I'm in love with them. You're right over there?
I choked on it. It's like.
What do you guys plan on doing next?
Like shows wise? Well, we plan on making new music and we have a show, I think April 5th. I think.
Yeah,
That's
April
bad.
5th and April 7th.
DBA, April 7th is like, I don't even know these places.
Well, the 5th is not in DBA for sure, and the 7th,
Brew Rebellion.
some other dimension, I think.
Yeah. They're all on our Instagram at TV Puppet Pals. And yeah, you can find all our shows there.
Oh yeah, what's your guys' favorite venue that you've ever played, or anything, or like any place that you've ever played?
Bad
Well,
saying that for all other places.
We love like everyone's been super cool, you know, opening their venues up to us and stuff, and just like houses in general and stuff. But I don't know. That's one that's cool.
I don't know.
Meow Meows was cool. I really like that.
Yeah,
place.
honestly, I love any place that's like indoors because I could hear everything that goes on, and it's like really cool sound. Like, but yeah, I don't know. DBA is actually really cool. I feel like we just started playing at the DBA, so that's really awesome. Every show we played there has been pretty lit. I feel.
The legacy.
I feel.
The legacy's
I don't know about
cool.
you, but I feel this way.
the legacy's cool. Like that's where we had our first show, and they've always been like a family,
Yeah,
like
Legacy.
really nice to us. And it's cool. Like it's a cool environment.
Yeah.
So it's really cool.
Meow Meows is really cool. Max Blooms
Max Bloom
is really
in Fullerton.
cool place in Fullerton. What else?
I don't know. I can't think.
The Hippie Lounge
The Hippie Lounge.
in Hemet.
That's our first time.
we actually didn't get to play there, but the cops came. Cops exist in Hemet.
You know, the caps. It'd be like that.
Do you guys have any like future projects that you guys are currently working on right now?
Well, I guess I can speak for myself. I mean, well, this band is like a pretty big priority in my life right now, and I want to expand that. And in the future, it'd be cool to do another project with more people and more instruments and stuff. Be more, you know, yeah. But be more creative. I'm also going to school to become an animator because I want to animate and draw and create cartoons for you folks, and maybe like even do some crazy music videos for music and stuff. That'd be really cool. That'd be living the dream.
Yeah.
And how about you?
What about you? What about you?
Well, I mean, I'm just trying to draw right now, trying to get my art out there right now, and just get better at it. I'm going to school too for studio arts, but I think I'm gonna start getting into more music stuff in school because this is really cool. Making music is really cool, and I think that's gonna be like my main focus, pretty much. Sorry, I'm picking my nose.
Okay, so then,
Make it sound like.
Yeah.
I really like Thai food, so like, I like pad Thai. I know that's basic, sorry guys, but I really like pad Thai, and it's bomb. That's all I gotta say about that. And I love kombucha. That is fire.
Which is.
That's kind of a food, right? That's a drink.
But it's
fermented.
Fermented.
Mother culture. Hi! Oh!
Okay, so thank you guys for being on the show and letting us interview you again.
Thank you.
Like, again, I wanted to apologize for what happened last time, but thank you guys a lot for that.
Yeah. Group hug.
Alright,
Thank
group hug.
you. Thank you guys. You guys the best.
Tina was pretty chill. She was cool.
She was rocking.
Yeah, Tina was pretty rock and roll, man. She
Rock
was.
and roll Tina.
Wait. Film at the middle of my.
Signed this all away. Yeah, I own you, baby. Every time you pick up an instrument, I'll be there.